No matter what reason you have for taking a flight, you don't want to step off it as feeling sluggish and bloated. On the other hand, you also don't want to exit the plane feeling ravenous. That leaves you with a conundrum. What should I eat before a flight? You will get some excellent suggestions in this video. Of course, to some degree, it's up to the individual person. Some people simply prefer French bread to pita bread or a banana to an orange. Choose accordingly. But every item on the list should leave you feeling full, but not too full, and ready to get on with whatever business brought you to your destination. Before understanding what you should eat before a flight, it's important to understand why you might feel a bit out of sorts in the first place. When a plane reaches high altitude, the air pressure in the cabin causes gas to expand. In some cases, it might expand as much as 25%. No wonder you might feel uncomfortable. But these light meals avoid excess amounts of sugar or proteins that might cause a problem, instead focusing on complex carbohydrates that burn slowly. Keep in mind that small amounts are better than big amounts. In other words, eat less than you think you need. So let's get started the food list. Number 1. Fruit and smoothies. Bananas are a great way to start the day, even those you don't spend at 35,000 feet. They are loaded with potassium, which means they can help you avoid leg cramps during the flight. An orange is high in vitamin C, helping keep your immune system strong. And a fruit smoothie can accomplish all that and give you a tasty beverage as well. Number 2. Nut butters. Small amounts of natural peanut butter or almond butter will keep you feeling full for a long period of time. They have the advantage of filling you up with a small amount. A small portion of almonds, walnuts, or peanuts can do the same, both before and during the flight. Number 3. Good bread. Making a sandwich with bread that you picked up at the bakery, such as French bread or pita bread. A small amount of hummus with pita will leave you full. With warm French bread, you can dip it into a bit of extra virgin olive oil for a tasty, filling meal that is bland and won't upset your stomach. Number 4. Drink water. This is especially smart during the flight. Water fills you up. It also keeps you better hydrated at high altitudes. Both will leave you feeling better when the plane lands. Avoid caffeine, as it dehydrates and may leave you unable to sleep during the flight. Number 5. Quinoa. Considered a grain but actually a seed, quinoa is a wonderful food that goes with almost anything. You can pair quinoa with fruit for a healthy pre-flight meal, or with chicken if your flight is later in the day. It fills you up with plenty of protein, but not enough to leave you feeling bloated. Brown rice can play the same role if that's what you have on hand. Number 6. Crackers. Don't get fancy or take chances if you find yourself pressed for time. Simply eat some crackers. Low-salt crackers if available. What crackers lack in culinary fireworks, they make up for by being benign and filling. Number 7. Lean protein. Eating lean protein gives your body the nutritional boost it needs without the high-fat downsides. Eat lean protein such as non-fat yogurt, turkey, or chicken to make you feel full and fuel your brain. Ruben recommends. Maximize the benefits by combining lean protein with fruits or veggies. The best combo is some protein with some good-for-you carbs like fruits, veggies, and whole grains, says Bowerman. The carbs will help you sustain energy, and the protein will help to keep you satisfied, and may keep you from indulging in the typically unhealthy snacks that are offered by the airline. So, a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, or, for shorter flights, an apple or orange with some nuts or string cheese. A protein bar, or a carton of yogurt with a piece of fruit would all work well. Number 8. Protein bars. Protein bars are easy to stash in your purse or bag and grab on the go. While not all protein bars are created equal, options with about 5 grams of fiber, at least 10 grams of protein, and 0 artificial sweeteners are a suitable addition to your suitcase. They can keep you energized and full for several hours on your flight. That's all for today. Which one of these foods do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative and amazing videos.